What's up, everybody? More duet cats. Now, guys, for me, it's been hard to post duet cats videos because it's hard for you guys to hear me with microphone. And my duet cats videos are the only videos that get lots of views. Like, my 4 most popular videos are duet cats, and they're my only videos with over 100 views. So, I don't know if I think this might be my last duet cats videos. Maybe. Might post another 1 or 2. Let me turn off the music. Sound. So yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do any more. So guys, I might not be able to. I am so sorry. But guys, I might start some Roblox videos. Specifically, Roblox Lucky Blocks. If you guys seen Lucky Blocks, it's a really fun game. But yeah, I will start that. But I might start off a that. So yeah, keep that in mind. But I'm doing that once I reach 20 subscribers. Actually, no, you know what? 25 subscribers. And you know what? Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna start Roblox. And yeah, so just enjoy this video. What song should I get? Let's try the Cradle song. So yeah, I'll try to do Roblox once I hit 25 subscribers. Man, I'd really love to be having some of those donuts. Lunch break. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch an ad to continue. Boys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry it took so long, but we're back. Let me just... Okay. Let's go. I'm rich! Also, Kun Kun and Benny videos will come out soon. Maybe in like a month or 2, because me and Gavin are trying to afford a camera so we can start making the videos. But once we do, yeah, me and Gavin are going to start getting those. You know what? I'm gonna do they have a cop? If they have a cop, then I want to try to combine the cop with the donuts. Do they? Hold up. Okay, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I thought the thing was paused. So, I'm gonna do one more song. But I'm gonna but I want this one. Okay, so hold up. Oh wait, I can't adopt him. I'll do one more song for you guys. And I saw this one. Bingo? Wait, what? We're not gonna do it. Stressed out? Say so? They have say so? I've already done say so. Hold up. Do they have blue? I like to see blue in duet cats. Meow 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 meow. No wait, that's meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. That'd be good. I feel like that would be a good. What do you guys think? I think they should have that in duet cats. Play this one, then end the video. Yay! Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. I think it'd be cool instead of bunches of donuts. I think it'd just be funny if they had one long donut. But I guess it would be kind of weird to not have any frosting. I don't know why these cats get so sad when they're being fed thousands of donuts at once, and then they get so sad if one donut drops. No! We got this, boys. Yes! Somehow I survived the rest of that. No, my coins! Oh, come on. It's fine. Well, guys, I want to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.